Oh, hello there, microscope enthusiasts. My name's Eric Miller, and I'm interested in starting a new type of video on my YouTube channel, and it might involve you. I think it can be very difficult for a person to find and learn about new products in this industry, especially when it's from a vendor that you're not personally familiar with. I mean, there are trade shows and there are magazines, but you and I both know those sorts of things have been on the decline for a while now. One of the good things to come out of the modern influencer scene is that authenticity is the new currency in marketing. People want to be spoken to like a real person instead of a customer who needs to be convinced into buying something. So here's what I'd like to do. I'd like to create a platform where all of the different vendors can come and present you and me with their newest products in a kind of very casual, non-sales situation. I'll sit down with them and their product or instrument, and then I make a video of them telling us why their thing is cool. I intend to be an avatar for the rest of you. I will ask questions just as any customer would and try and get as much relevant information as I can. I'll then share my thoughts on it, both pro and con, based on what I've learned. So the company gets to talk about their product, but what does Eric get out of this, and how can he make this operation work financially? Great question, because here's where the catch is. Other larger, more mainstream industries may have multiple influencers covering them, and they'll be able to make their living through YouTube, Rumble, TikTok, whatever, monetization, or online donations and subscriptions. Because our industry is so small and so specialized, none of those models is workable here. Combine that with the reality that I can't just go down to the local hardware store and buy 4 Electron microscopes and review them all. We're kind of in a pickle here. In order to take on these types of projects, I will need a sponsorship fee from the company in question for each video that I produce, and reimbursement for any travel involved, all of which I will disclose in each video. Well, Eric, how can you do that and say that you're unbiased or agnostic? How can we be sure that you're not just being paid by these companies to say what they want you to say? Here is my solution to that problem. While I will point out some pros and cons to the product that I might see, I will not endorse or recommend any products that I look at in this series of videos. I want to encourage as many companies to participate in this project as possible, and I think this is the only fair way to go about it. The only thing I will recommend is that you, the viewer, contact the vendor if you're interested in their product. To be clear, I am not here to make a commercial for these companies. I take the position that I am here not to sell their products for them, but to present it to you. I think this concept has a huge potential to help get out good, usable information to lots of people in this industry about all sorts of different new products that are coming out. I can't guarantee success, but I think we can try. Are you a user who wants me to look at a specific product? Well, let me know about it in the comments. Are you a company who wants to tell people about your new thing? Hey, so do I. Send me an email. Let's make this thing happen.